Have you ever wanted to say something in English, but you stopped? You opened your mouth, but the words didn't come out. Maybe your heart started beating fast, or you were scared you would make a mistake. It is a terrible feeling, isn't it? You feel stuck, but I have some good news for you. You do not need to be perfect to be understood. You don't need to know every grammar rule to have a conversation. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to stop being shy and start speaking with confidence, starting right now. Hello friends. Today we are going to talk about the biggest wall standing between you and fluency. That wall is fear. Fear of mistakes. Fear of sounding silly. I want to tell you a story about a student. Let's call him Leo. Leo is just like many of you. He studies hard. He knows a lot of words. He can read English very well. But when someone asks him, "Hello, how are you?" he freezes. He told me, "I try to speak, but I feel shy. I am scared I will say the wrong thing. My pronunciation isn't perfect." Does that sound familiar? Leo thinks too much before he speaks. He tries to fix the grammar in his head before he opens his mouth, and because he is thinking so hard, he stays silent. The perfection trap. SEO integration. This is what I call the perfection trap. Leo thinks he needs to speak English perfectly, just like a native speaker, on his very first try, but that is impossible. Think about it this way. Imagine you want to get strong, so you join a gym. If you say, "I will only go to the gym when I am already strong," does that make sense? Of course not. You go to the gym to get strong. You start with light weights, you struggle, you sweat, and slowly, you build muscle. Speaking English is the exact same thing. It is a skill. It is like a muscle. You cannot wait to be perfect to start speaking. You have to speak to become perfect. Many people search for secrets on how to speak English fluently and confidently, but the only real secret is this: you must be okay with making mistakes. Mistakes are not bad things. Mistakes are just proof that you are trying. The communication over grammar rule. Let's go back to Leo. He was worried about his grammar. He thought if he used the wrong verb tense, people would laugh. But I told him, and I am telling you now, clear communication matters more than perfect grammar. If you say, "Yesterday I go to the store," instead of "Yesterday I went to the store," do people understand you? Yes, they understand perfectly. You communicated your idea. That is a success. Don't let the fear of a small grammar mistake stop you from connecting with people. People are usually very kind. They want to hear what you have to say. They are not grading your sentences like a teacher with a red pen. So, the next time you feel that fear, tell yourself, "I don't need to be perfect. I just need to be clear." Vocabulary breakdown. Before we practice, I want to give you 3 power words to keep in your mind today. These words will help change how you think about your English journey. The first word is confident. To be confident means you feel sure about yourself. You trust your own ability. When you are confident, you are not afraid. You speak loud and clear. Even if you make a mistake, you keep going because you believe in yourself. The second word is matter. In this context, matter means to be important. For example, when I say grammar doesn't matter as much as connection, I mean grammar is not the most important thing. Connecting with the person is what has value. The third word is progress. Progress means moving forward. It means getting better, little by little. You don't need to jump to the finish line today. You just need to take one small step. If you speak one sentence today, that is progress. The technique. Shadowing. Now, you might be asking, "Okay, I understand the mindset, but how do I actually practice?" Leo asked me the same thing. I told him to do something called shadowing. This is the best way to practice if you don't have a speaking partner. Shadowing is simple. You listen to a sentence, and you repeat it immediately. You don't just read it with your eyes, you speak it with your mouth. You try to copy the speed and the emotion of the speaker. Leo said he likes shadowing because it helps him speak faster, and he is right. It trains your mouth muscles to move in the right way. It connects your ears to your tongue. If you are looking for daily English conversation practice, shadowing is the most powerful tool you can use alone at home. Interactive practice. Comprehension check. Now, I want to try something with you. I want to see if you are listening closely. I am going to ask you a few questions about our friend Leo. I want you to answer me out loud. Yes, speak to the screen. Don't be shy. Here is the first question. Why did Leo feel shy when he spoke English? Did you say it? The answer is, because he was scared of saying something wrong. He was worried about his pronunciation. Next question. Did I tell Leo to think more before speaking, or to just speak? I told him to just speak. Thinking too much stops you. Third question. What is more important, perfect grammar or clear communication? The answer is clear communication. That is what matters most. Last question. Does practice make you perfect immediately? Or is practice about progress? Practice is progress. You grow step by step. Interactive practice. Shadowing drill. Great job answering those. Now, let's do the real work. We are going to do some shadowing right now. I am going to say a sentence. I will leave a quiet space after I speak. I want you to repeat exactly what I said. Say it loud. Say it with a smile. Are you ready? Let's go. I try. But I feel shy when I speak English. I am scared of saying something wrong. My pronunciation is not good. Practice helps me feel more confident. I will not think too much. I will just speak. Small mistakes are not a problem. Clear communication matters more than grammar. Every time I practice, I improve a little. I don't wait to be perfect. I speak now. How did that feel? Did you hear your own voice? That is the sound of progress. It might feel strange at first, but if you do this every day, your tongue will get used to the shapes of English words. Remember, learning English is not a race. It is a journey. Like going to the gym or learning to cook, it takes time. When you start a new job, you don't know everything on the first day. You learn by doing. You learn by making mistakes. So please, be kind to yourself. Don't be afraid. The world wants to hear your voice, whether it is for your job, for travel, or just for yourself. Keep moving forward. Practice is progress. Don't wait to be perfect. Start today. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. You did an amazing job just by being here and trying. If you found this lesson helpful and you want to keep building your confidence, please click that like button. It really helps the video reach more people like you. And don't forget to subscribe to 10-Minute English Academy. We have many more lessons coming to help you speak fluent English easily. Leave a comment below and tell me. I will practice every day. I want to see your promise in the comments. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.